Lubricating the engine coupler, 2016 Tahoe 400 TS with a 3.0 MPI engine. The engine coupler, because I do so much idling. Oh yeah, bear with me on the noises. I'm old. Have to do this every 50 hours, according to the book. And I figured I'd share it with others. So it's obvious that I had to remove the panel back here. And I'm going to do my best to show you where the coupler is. So, back here behind, you will see, hopefully, everything clicks well, the engine coupler lubricating point is right there. Come on, fingers. Right there. So, it's a pain to get to, but you have to do it. Otherwise, it's a very expensive job to have redone. Again, it's hiding right there. And make sure you have a 9/16 with you when you climb in, because you may have to, like I did, hit this, hit the crank. It's not showing very well. Hit the crankshaft right here with a 9/16, rotate it a little bit so that you can get it oriented so you can get to it. I could not get at it from the top. A bunch of other sites were like, hey, yeah, it's too easy, hit it from the top. But no, not in this configuration and not with these old bones. So again, it is located right there. Little zerk fitting. I hope that's showing up well. Try to get some more light on it. I want to lose my light. Anyway, there she is, right there. I hope you can see this. Oh yeah, there it is. So, that is your engine coupler. Oh, and while you're down here, don't forget your steering. You gotta oil this guy up, grease, all that stuff. Yep, get it all while you're in here. Hope this helps. Knowledge is only power when it's shared.